Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Lessonade. So in this video, we're going to see how to multiply numbers from 6 to 10 just using our fingers. And without further ado, let's get started. So now, let's look at this example. So before we do anything with the question, which is 6 times 9, let's number our fingers first, with 6 being the thumb and pinky finger is 10. So we're going to number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to the pinky. Same over here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to the pinky. So the thing what we are going to do is we are going to rotate both the hands so that the 6 and the 9 they're touching each other. So let's do that now. So let's rotate the left hand. So the 6 and the right hand. So the 6 and the 9 are touching. So since they're touching, now we're going to draw a circle around the touching numbers and the numbers below the touching numbers. So in this case, the touching numbers are 6 and 9. The numbers below are 8, 7, and 6. So let's draw a loop around them. Now we are going to count the number of fingers in this loop. So we have 1 on the left hand. We have 4 on the right hand. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that means 5 is going to be our tens. So let's write the 5 here. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to count the number of fingers on both hands outside the loop. So on the left hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. And on the right hand, we have only 1. We have wrote the 1 and the 4. We're going to multiply these two now. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. So now we can bring this 4 next to the 5 to give us an answer of 54. So the answer is 54. So as you guys could see, this is a very simple method and very straightforward if you guys understand it. And with this, let's go on to the next example. We have 8 times 7. And once again, we have numbered our fingers, as you guys could see, 6 being the thumb, 10 being the pinky, same for both hands. So let's rotate our hands so that the 8 and the 7 are touching each other. Rotate them. So now the 8 and the 7 are touching each other. So now we're going to draw a circle around the 8 and the 7 and the numbers that are beneath the 8 and the 7. So in this case, we have 7, 6, and the other 6. So we have 2 6s and we have 1 7. We're going to draw a loop around all of them. As you guys could see, we've done a loop. We're going to count the number of fingers in the loop. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. So that is 5, and let's write the 5 at the tens place. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to count the number of fingers outside the loop for both hands. Here on the left hand we have 2, so that's going to be 2. On the right hand we have 3. Let's write 3. So now the next thing we have to do is we have to multiply the 2 and the 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We can write the 6 next to the 5 to give us an answer of 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. So well done guys for going on this far. Now let's go on to the next one. You guys may already notice that this one is a type 2. So this one's a bit more different, but nothing too hard. The only thing that's different is you will have a carry, so that's the only thing you have to do. So nothing to get scared about. So 6 times 6, let's move our hand, both of our hands, so the 6 and the 6 are touching. Let's draw a loop, so around the 6s, there are no fingers underneath, so it's only going to be the 2 6s. We're going to count the number of fingers, 1, 2. 2 fingers, we can write the 2 here. Now we wrote the 2. Let's count the number of fingers on both hands outside the loop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left hand, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand. We have to multiply both the 4s. 4 times 4 is going to be 16. We're going to write the 6 in the units column. So let's write that first. Then we're going to take this 1 as a carry to the tens. 6 plus nothing is going to be 6. And 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. So our answer should hopefully be 36. And it is 36. So well done guys for understanding the type 2. Now let's look at another example. So now let's go on to the next one. Now, the next type 2 example we have is 6 times 7. So first off, let's start by rotating our hands so that the 6 and the 7 are touching. So both of them. Rotate the left hand, rotate the right hand. So now the 6 and the 7 are touching. So we're going to draw a loop around the 6 and the 7 and also any fingers that are underneath the 6 and the 7. So we've drawn the loop. We have a 6, 7, and another 6. So we have 3 fingers. So that means we can write a 3 in the tens column. So we wrote the 3 now. We're going to count the number of fingers outside the loop. Left hand, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write the 4. On the right hand, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 4 and a 3. We have to multiply this 4 and this is 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is obviously 12. So once again, we're going to do the same thing, bring the 2 down as we already did, and also take this 1 as a carry to the tens. Add this up. 2 plus nothing is going to be 2. 3 plus 1, however, is going to be 4. So our answer must be 42. And our answer is 42. So well done guys for going on another type 2. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see videos more like this one, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.